3x3. Rule for sales prospecting, how to personalize outreach in under 3 minutes. AnyBiz. Welcome to our video on mastering the 3x3 rule for sales prospecting, where we'll show you how to personalize your outreach in under 3 minutes. This approach will help you build rapport and generate leads effectively. Personalized outreach is crucial, with tailored messages achieving nearly double the open rate of generic ones. Using the 3x3 research method, 3 minutes to gather 3 insights, helps you craft relevant, engaging messages that build trust and boost success rates. The 3x3 rule in sales prospecting involves spending 3 minutes to gather 3 key facts about a prospect, ensuring quick, personalized outreach. Focus on job role, recent company activity, and personal insights. This time limit balances personalization and efficiency, boosting results without slowing prospecting efforts. Step-by-step guide to implementing 3x3 research for sales prospecting. Prioritize high-impact insights related to the prospect's role or challenges for more relevant outreach. Stick to the 3-minute rule for efficiency, but ensure quality insights. Use AI tools like AnyBiz to speed up research, but maintain a personal touch for successful prospecting. AI automates 3x3 research, making it faster and more consistent. Tools like AnyBiz quickly collect key insights, letting sales teams focus on personalizing outreach instead of manual research. AnyBiz is an AI-powered platform that enhances B2B prospecting by automating the 3x3 rule. Its AI agents quickly gather key insights like job titles, recent activities, and personal interests, allowing real-time personalization. With integrated CRM features, AnyBiz streamlines organization and tracking, keeping outreach relevant and efficient. AI tools like AnyBiz boost productivity by providing rapid, accurate insights, saving time on 3x3 research. They ensure up-to-date information and improve personalization, maintaining consistent, high-quality outreach at scale. Start your journey with AnyBiz today by signing up for a free trial. Before you say goodbye, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe to ensure you're always in the know with our upcoming releases.